Hi guys, welcome back to another natural hair video tutorial. Today we are going to do this beautiful hairstyle that I just thought would look so good on her. Please give this video a like, share and subscribe. I love you. Mwah. And please remember to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I post. I'll start off by sectioning her hair into 5 parts. Sectioning 3 parts at the back of her head and 2 on the front. Then I'll come in with eco styling gel that I've used to slick her hair. You can use any gel of your choice. I like using toothbrush to slick the hair because it does the job really well for me. I'm using a scarf to allow her hair to dry a little bit. Then I'm coming in with my braiding hair. Then I'll separate a little bit of the hair that I will use to secure the hair, as you can see. Then braid the rest of the hair down. I'm sectioning the hair into 3 sections, then just basically braiding it down while hiding her natural hair with the braid. As I am braiding, as you can see, some products of her hair, but don't worry about that, it's going to dry down. It's always like that when you use gel over a leave-in conditioner. Yeah. I forgot to show you how I was attaching the braid. This is how I do it. I use a small rubber band, attach the braid that I want to, then just attach it to the hair. That's it. It's so simple, guys. You can learn this. Guys, if you like this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm to push my content. Thank you. The first part and second part, I'm doing the final part so you can see closely how I did it. I'm just separating the hair that I will use again to secure the braid down. As you can see, just follow through the process. It's so simple, guys. You can do it. Anyone can do this. Yeah. Again, ignore the product's guide, it's going to dry down. After a while it's going to dry down. You can, if you are having to go anywhere, you can use a blow dryer to dry it, but as for us, we aren't going anywhere, we're just sitting at home, so it's just going to dry down. Yeah.
Guys, check out the final look. She looks so amazing. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you. Mwah.